Finally heading to my hotel after taking the flight to Jeju and then taking the bus from Jeju airport to the other side of the island. I can see my hotel right there. So let's go get checked in. And then I'm gonna meet my friend, then we're gonna go to dinner. I just got to my hotel room and I'm paying like 30,000 won a night for this place. It's pretty good. It's pretty decent. 2 beds, 2 single-size beds, but I'm pretty sure I requested 1 queen bed, but it doesn't matter. But it's clean, it's spacious. Let's have a look around. Little vanity area, little table, obviously 2 beds. I don't know if I have a view though. Nope, just a wall on the other side. Oh well. At least maybe we get some light coming in. That's a big sink. Waterfall shower. Bidet. Towels. Do they give me big towels? Yeah, they give me big towels there. Let me see, what else we got? A couple bottles of water. No coffee, but maybe there's a 7-Eleven just across the road, so I can probably get coffee from there. I'm happy with this place. I think I might like, the area looks really nice as well. There's lots of stuff around here too, so pretty happy with this place. Probably rent this place again if I come back. This hotel also has like a sick roof, like the whole rooftop. And there's like no one up here as well, but like check out the view from up here. I'm kind of scared to like really go up to the edge because it is only like a foot tall, but there's these metal bars, but the view is so good. You have some drinks up here later, it'll be nice. A little grey though because it's a bit cold out, so nothing's really growing. Like swinging chairs, picnic benches. It's nice. It tastes just like cooked mackerel. Rate it? You like jiggle the table. Oh yeah. It's so jiggly. Alright. Yeah, cup ramen.
Oh, dude, that's so cool. I didn't know they did them in last time.
What's in it? Strawberry.
You had it?
No, I never had
It's
these.
so good.
It's like this strawberry cream.
It's like Korea's version of Twinkie.
Okay, it's the next morning. It's like 8:30. I've already woken up, gotten ready, but today we're gonna go on our hike. Yesterday, after we had dinner, we had to go to the shops and we had to buy some stuff to be more prepared for this hike, because apparently it might get quite icy up there. So we have to go get some of these, which are like the spikes that you put on the bottom of your shoes. I went and got some new trousers, just something a bit warmer as well. And we just went and got some snacks and some drinks and everything like that just to take with us. And apparently it's gonna be quite cold at the top, even though it's not that cold down here. But we'll see. We'll get going now as well. We have to go meet them in a few minutes. So I need to pack my bag and then go down. These trousers, they're like advertised as hiking trousers. So they've got like, I don't know, they're like fleece on the inside, but they look so formal. Like, I feel like I'm gonna go on the trail and people are gonna be like, why is he wearing dress pants? But they're so comfortable. They only cost like less than $15. Pretty nice.
Facts.
Well, Sarah's got a bag as well, right? So
Yeah, and then Sarah's bringing a bag for me as well. So.
do you want to grab the cup laments for now? And I'll close this up. Yeah, it's pretty good. You can just hit record, it's done. You know, like fuck around. Thanks, I need leaving it there. It smells like strawberry jam.
Yeah, right.
Right. Ooh, that is nice.
Right.
How did they get it so sweet? You ready? Did it go up there? Alright. Let's try doing this vlogging thing. I'm actually quite warm. I'm not too bad. Honestly, it gets like super duper windy, like super thin. Those trousers? Oh, dude, you should have got a pair of these as well, actually. They're really nice. Oh, I hope it gets snowy up top. We're at the top. We're only like halfway through the trail though, aren't we?
Yeah. 40 minutes to the top from here.
But hopefully it's just along the top of the ridge. How's all the snow? 1,600 meters. don't know if this might be like the highest I've been in Korea. Highest mountain.
Yeah.
It's not active, is it? No, it's not in it. It's not active. I wonder when the last time it exploded was.
Yeah, dude, we're gonna sacrifice you.
Chuck you in.
Damn. You here last time,
It's surprisingly like just open, like flat.
Alright, so where do you want to go?
I'm guessing. Should we go check out that thing up there as well, or just go straight? Keep straight going.
Dude, this is so cold.
We're not gonna drink that thing. I'm not in the mood for that.
뭐 여기서 뭐 근데 바람먹는데 너무 좋아.
Dude, cucumber's pretty good.
Compared to
Probably, yeah, we wouldn't eat that in pub, like a place like this.
you need like sustenance.
Or like a tomato.
It's like 80% water.
That's like Hallasan erupting.
Stop. Fucking hell. It's okay.
Waterproof.
Yeah, actually, I think so. Should probably stand up. Don't worry, I've got some. This is pretty much just going to be the same way going back down, so probably cut this here unless something cool happens, and then see you at the bottom. We finally finished the hike, and now we've got to figure out how to get home, because we got dropped off here, but now we've got to try and figure out how to get back using either the bus or the taxi. So that should be fun. Finally back from our hike up the mountain. It's like 3 o'clock. Took us a while to get back because we had to take the bus, but we just managed to catch the bus with like a minute to spare. Got back to the hotel. We're gonna rest up for like an hour, and then we might head into the town, Seogwipo, which is the city on the south side of Jeju. No plans from now on, but we've got a dinner, and then maybe have some drinks, but we'll see if I record any more. But I think I might end the video here, but if not, you'll see more of this video after this.